Chapter number 7, Sankhya. Sankhya means numbers or digits. Today we are going to learn 1 to 100 digits and numbers in Sanskrit. They have given a very short but nice conversations of two friends and a fruit seller. In this chapter they have given us the numbers. So first we will see the chart of the numbers on page number 36. Okay. So in our textbook on page number 36 they have given the संख्या. 1 से 100 तक संख्यावाचक शब्द. 1 to 100 in Sanskrit digits and in Sanskrit words. Ekam means 1, dve 2, trini 3, chatvari 4, pancha 5, shata 6, sapta 7, ashta 8, nava 9, dasha. Now here you have to remember dasha means 10. After that, from 11 to 19, we will write dasha at the end of the word, and before that we will add the second number, second digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. जो हम इंग्लिश में बाद में लिखते हैं संस्कृत में वो उससे पहले लिखा जाता है. जैसे दशक का 10 और उसमें एक ऐड हुआ है तो एक का दश मीन्स 11, द्वादश तो ऊपर जो एकम द्वे त्रीणी चत्वारी देखा उसी के अलग थोड़े से रूप इसमें होते हैं. त्रयोदश मीन्स 10 प्लस 3 13. चतुर्दश 10 प्लस 4. पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश and then vinshati. Now vinshati. So from 21 to 29 numbers will take vinshati at their end. एकविंशति, द्वाविंशति, त्रयोविंशति, चतुर्विंशति, पंचमविंशति, षट्विंशति, सप्तविंशति, अष्टाविंशति, नवविंशति and त्रिंशत्. Now 30 means त्रिंशत्. Again त्रिंशत् at the end and 1 to 9. Then चत्वारिंशत् means 40. So again चत्वारिंशत् will come at the end and 1 to 9 will come before that. But somewhere it takes different form of the word. Here you can see dve, dva and dvi. Dve means 2, dva means also 2 and dvi means also 2. Right? But with other words of sandhi, it changes their word. Original is dve, but dve plus vinchati becomes dvavinchati. Then dve plus chatvarinchati becomes dvachatvarinchati. So you have to remember this pattern little bit. Then panchashat. Panchashat means 50. So again 51 to 59 will take panchashat. Then shashti means 60. Shashti again will take all the forms of shashti with ekam, dve or dvi, 3. Chatur, pancha, shata, sapta, ashta, nava and saptati. Saptati means 70. Likewise ashiti means 80. Again all the same. Then navashiti and navati. Navati means 90. And it will continue till 99. Navanavatihi, and 100 means shatam. On birthdays we wish someone like Jiveta Sharadam Shatam, means may you live 100 full moon nights, right? So 100 full moon शरद ऋतु, शरदम शतम, तो उसमें जो शतम है वो किसके लिए है? 100 नंबर के लिए. सो दिस टेबल यू हैव टू राइट इन योर notebook whenever you will write the translation and exercise of this chapter. Now we will see the translation and the story of the chapter on page number 31. Sankhya. Here we can see one fruit seller. He is having a shop of fruits and two boys are talking with him. So this is a conversation type chapter. Let us see. Sureshah says. In English we say says. In Sanskrit we will say vadati. Sureshah vadati. Aho Rameshah kutra gacchati. Suresh asked, "Oh Ramesh, where are you going?" Rameshah vadati. Apanam gacchami. I am going to shop. Sureshah aham api agacchami. Aham means I, api means also. I am also coming. Rameshah bhavan kim kretum ichchati. Bhavan means you, kim what, kretum means buy, ichchati wants. So Ramesh asked, what do you want to buy? Suresh aham falani kretum ichchati. I want to buy fruits. Falani means fruits. Ramesha pashyatu tatraiva falavipani asti chalatu. See, the fruit shop is there. Chalatu means let's go or come on. Pashyatu means see. Tatraiva, tatra eva, there is or there itself. Falavipani, fruit shop. Asti is, there is a fruit shop. Let us go or come on. Suresha Panchamya vipanyah pakvani falani santi. There are ripe fruits in the fifth shop. There may be so many shops of fruits, but on the fifth shop fruits are ripe. Pakvani means पके हुए, ripe. Vipanya means shop. Panchamya, Panchamya, here first sankhya came. Panchamya, Panchamya means on fifth. Vipanyam shop. Pakvani falani santi. There are ripe fruits in the fifth shop. Ramesh Bhadra Amrafalanam kiyat mulyam. Bhadra means brother. Amrafalanam mangoes. Kiyat how much. Mulyam rupees or cost. Brother, how much do the mangoes cost, or what is the cost for mango? Panchashata rupyakanam dashafalani. Phala vikreta means fruit seller. 50 rupees for 10 fruits. Panchashata 50, rupyakanam means rupees. Dasha 10, falani fruits. 50 rupees for 10 fruits or 10 mangoes. Ramesha vadati Dvadasha kadali falanam question mark means what is the cost for 12 bananas. Kadali phala means banana. Dvadasha means 12. So 12 bananas question mark, or what is the cost for 12 bananas question mark. Phala vikreta fruit seller shodasha rupyakani. Shodasha means 16, rupyakani rupees. So fruit seller tells the price. What is the price for 12 bananas? It's 16 rupees. Rameshah Chaturnam Narangfalanam. Narangfal orange. Chaturnam means 4. So what is the cost for 4 oranges? Or what is the cost of 4 oranges? Phal vikreta fruit seller vinshatihi rupyakani. Vinshatihi means 20 rupees. Sureshah tarhi मह्यं 30 कदलीफलानि ददातु. ददातु means give. Tarhi means then. मह्यं to me. 30 means 30. Kadalifalani means banana. Then give me 30 bananas. Rameshah मह्यं 12 नारंगफलानि ददातु. What Ramesh said? Give me 12 means 12 narangfalani oranges. Give me 12 oranges. Suresh kiyat mulyam. Suresh asked how much, or how much money for these. Phala vikreta fruit seller kadalifalanam chatvarishat means 40 rupees for banana, and narangfalanam cha shashti 60 rupees for oranges. Rameshah shata rupyakani swikarotu. Please take these 100 rupees. Shata means 100, rupyakani means rupees. Please take this. Swikarotu, svikar karo or accept. Please take or accept these 100 rupees. Phala vikreta bhavatu means phala vikreta fruit seller said thank you. So this is our chapter number 7, Sankhya. Now let us see the glossary words. Kadalifalam means a banana, narangfalam an orange, amrafalam a mango, apanam means a shop, kretum for buying, vipani a shop, pakwani ripe, bhadra gentleman or brother, kiyat means how much, bhavatu means okay. For brother there is another word which is bhratra. Bhratah or bhratrah means brother. Exercise. First one is pronounce the following words properly. As we do in all exercises, these words you have to write 3 times in your notebook. After these, question number 2. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. Dvadasha kadalifalanam kiyat mulyam. What is the cost for 12 bananas? So answer will be Dvadasha kadalifalanam shodasha rupyakani. Then kati narangfalanam mulyam vinshati rupyakani. How much oranges cost 20 rupees? So answer is Chaturna narangfalanam vinshati rupyakani. 4 oranges cost 20 rupees. Kaha phala vikretre shat rupyakani dadati. Who gave 100 rupees to fruit seller? So answer will be Rameshah. कह की जगह आएगा रमेशः. फल विक्रेते शतरूप्यकाणि ददाति. रमेशः कति नारंगफलानि क्रीणाति. हाउ मेनी ऑरेंजेस रमेश bought or buy. Kati means how many. So answer will be रमेशः 12 नारङ्गफलानि क्रीणाति. Ramesh bought 12 oranges. Then fifth question is 30 कदलीफलानां कियत् मूल्यं. कियत् means how much. How much it cost for 30 means 30 कदलीफलानां bananas. So answer will be 30 कदलीफलानां 40 रूप्यकाणि. These answer I have given you in the PDF for your writing. Okay. Then question number 3. Match A with B appropriately. One side they have given the numbers in words and one side on B side they have given the digits. You have to match the words with the digit. Navanavatihi. Now what you have to remember first, you will see this. Navati means 9 and again Nava means also 9. So this is 99. Shata Saptati. Saptati means 70. Shata means 6. So this digit is 76. Nava Chatvarishat. Chatvarishat means 40. Nava means 9. 49. Ekashitihi. Ekashiti means Ashiti means 80. Ekashiti. Ekashiti means 81. Shannavati. Navati means again 90. Shanna means 6. Shannavati means 96. Here you have to remember that first digit goes last and last digit goes first. Okay. Then in your textbook they have given the A and B, but this is a printing mistake. First we have to solve the question number 4 and A and B is based on this question. So question number 4 is answer the following questions on the basis of this table. So they have given the names of the fruits, their cost and some names of the things and their cost. 12 कदलीफलानि 12 bananas 35 rupees. पंच दाणिमानि means 5 pomegranates 40 rupees. 10 सेवफलानि 10 apples 98 rupees. द्राक्षफलानि grapes 46 rupees. 24 आम्रफलानि 24 mangoes 100 rupees. Upanetram means specs 75 rupees. Kartari means scissor 46 rupees. Talam means lock 60 rupees. Ghata means pot 80 rupees and Yutakam means shirt 65 rupees. Okay, so we have seen the table. Now we will answer on the basis of this table. So we will start with A. A. Dash kadalifalanam 34 रूप्यकाणि. So answer will be 12 कदलीफलानां 34 रूप्यकाणि. पञ्चानां दाडिमानां मूल्यं डैश रूप्यकाणि. So answer will be 40 रूप्यकाणि. 12 आम्रफलानां मूल्यं डैश रूप्यकाणि. 12 आम्रफलानां मूल्यं 50 रूप्यकाणि. So first answer will be 12. Second will be 40 and third will be 50 means 50. Okay. Now right or wrong, true or false. 10 सेवफलानां मूल्यं 98 रूप्यकाणि. Right. उपनेत्रस्य मूल्यं 50 रूप्यकाणि. wrong. And युतकस्य मूल्यः 65 रूप्यकाणि, right. Okay, so these both questions are based on this table. Then on the basis of this table and their amount, they have given some questions also. कस्य मूल्यः 75 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति, whose cost is rupees 75. So कस्य मूल्य 75 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. So उपनेत्र is 75 rupees, right? So answer will be उपनेत्रस्य मूल्यं 75 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. उपनेत्रस्य मूल्यं 75 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. फुल स्टॉप. पञ्चदाणिकानां मूल्यं कति रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. What is the cost of 5 pomegranates? So what is the cost they have given? 40 rupees. So answer will be पञ्चदाणिकानां मूल्यः 40 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. कति की जगह क्या आएगा? 40. देन तालस्य मूल्यः कति रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ लॉक. सो तालस्य मूल्य 60 rupees. सो इन संस्कृत व्हाट वी विल गेट. तालस्य मूल्यः 60 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. 40 रूप्यकाणि कस्य कस्य मूल्य अस्ति. Which things cost is 46. So which two things cost 46 rupees. One is drakshafalani and another is kartari. So answer will be drakshafalaनां व कर्तरी मूल्यं 46 रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. These answers also I have given you in the PDF. Then write in the words. This you can do with the help of the tables given after the chapter. This exercise also you have to do yourself from this table. Okay, so here we completed our chapter number 7 also. You have to write the translation of the chapter, all the exercises and the table of numbers or digits 1 to 100 in your notebook.